Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make vitamin C juice. Making your own fresh juice is incredibly simple and offers fantastic health benefits. You'll learn how to quickly prepare a delicious drink that's packed with essential nutrients. This guide will help you understand the process from start to finish, ensuring you can enjoy a homemade, immune-boosting beverage whenever you like. It's a wonderful way to add more goodness to your daily routine. To begin, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll want about 2 to 3 medium-sized citrus fruits for one serving, such as oranges or a mix of lemon and grapefruit. Make sure your fruits are ripe and firm. For equipment, a basic citrus juicer, a sharp knife, and a sturdy cutting board are all you need. For an extra zing, a small piece of fresh ginger or a few mint leaves can elevate your juice's flavor profile beautifully. Now let's get to juicing. First, thoroughly wash your selected fruits under cool running water to remove any surface impurities. Next, carefully cut each fruit in half using your sharp knife. Place one fruit half onto your juicer and apply firm pressure, twisting it to extract all the delicious juice. Repeat this process for all your fruit halves, collecting the fresh liquid in a clean glass or pitcher. It's that easy. Your homemade vitamin C juice is now ready to enjoy. For the freshest taste and maximum nutritional benefits, it's best to drink it immediately. If you have any leftover, simply pour it into an airtight container and refrigerate it for up to 2 days. Feel free to get creative with your next batch. Try combining different citrus fruits or adding a splash of sparkling water for a fizzy treat. Cheers to your health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.